The following video explains how to assemble and use the surface burners on the LG gas range. Assembling the surface burners. Turn on each surface burner and check the combustion visually. If the flames are uneven, turn off the burners and wait for the cooktop to cool completely. Carefully remove grates from the top of the range. Make sure the burner caps and heads are correctly assembled. Align the burner head hole over the protruding electrode. Install the burner cap so the legs don't interfere with the burner head. The shape of the legs on the cap depends on the size of the burner. Make sure that the burner cap is installed as shown in the picture. Try lighting the burner and reinstall the cap if flame is uneven. Place the grates back on top of the range. Electric spark igniters. The clicking sound when you light the burners is caused by the electric spark igniters. All the spark igniters on the cooktop will activate even when you are turning on one burner. For more information, refer to the owner's manual and quick reference guide for the appliance.